So, in the last video, what I did was I couldn't get it to crank. I drained the carb, had a bunch of water in it. I think it had so much water that the gas tank had water. It had only sat for like maybe a month. I mean, not even that long. I lost the silencer, had to buy another one. Came in on eBay, and then it was a ridiculous amount of water. I drained it out of a little thing down here, and then I was smelling it, and it like smelled like water for forever. It was no shit. It was probably like a half of a water bottle, like full of. It didn't even smell like gas at all. And this thing needs to be tightened up. It's missing some things, but it did crank, and I rode it around. I think at this point we have like a couple of hours on it. Not really even that many hours. It was cranking in like one kick yesterday. That was yesterday though, huh? I don't really like two strokes to idle. I just let them die, you know, because it's just the way I've always done it. But that's it. I got it running. All it was water in the fuel. And I think here in a little while we're going to make some more videos, so y'all stay tuned.